Hi everyone, so let us start our revision. Chapter 11 Plants. Okay, give two examples of following shrubs. What do you mean by shrubs? Smaller than trees and are bushy, they have hard stem. Smaller than trees are big. Then smaller than trees and are bushy, they have hard stem, strong stem. Okay, that is called shrubs. Give two examples of shrubs. Tell me, studied? Yes, rose, tulsi, mehendi. Rose, tulsi and mehendi is shrubs example. Then second, herbs. What do you mean by herbs? Do you remember? Or you read? Plants are small and have soft stem. Hard stem is shrub. Then herbs is soft stem. Give me examples. Grass, sunflower, mint. They have soft stem. We can break easily. So soft stem. So then climbers. What do you mean by climbers? Tell with me. Plants are very weak, need support to stand erect. They have need to support to stand erect. Stand ആയിട്ട് നിൽക്കാം സപ്പോർട്ടിന് ആവശ്യമുണ്ട് ക്ലൈംബേഴ്സിന്. Give me examples. Grapevine, pear plant, etc. is the examples of climbers. Then money plant, etc. The next one is creepers. What do you mean by creepers? Plants creep on the ground. Creep on the ground. Like a snake creep in the ground. Creep in the creepers. Climbers support to stand erect. Plant. Then give me examples. Pumpkin, cucumber, watermelon creep on the ground. Ground creep in. Creepers. Okay. Then next, water plant or aquatic plant. Two names, water plant and aquatic plants. Same meaning. Then plants grow only in the water. They can only live in the water. They can only live in the water. Water plant or aquatic plant. Two names in the water plant, aquatic plant. Give me examples. Water lily, lotus, jalkumbi. Okay. Three examples are studied in the chapter. Lotus and water lily, jalkumbi. Then next one is leaves prepare food for the plants. Dash prepare food for the plants. Leaves. Leaves ilana food prepare cheyyunnathu. Next one is climbers and creepers are weak plants. Climbers and creepers endana weak plants aanu. But difference between them is difference of climbers climb on the plants. That is climb on the plants is called climbers to stand supported to erect. Then creepers creep on the ground. Groundilooടെ creep ചെയ്യുന്നതാണ് creepers. Climb ചെയ്യുന്നത് climbers ആണ്. Examples അറിയാലോ. Then next, herbs have tender stem. Herbsന് പെട്ടെന്ന് പൊട്ടിച്ചെടുക്കാവുന്ന tender stem ഉള്ളൂ. Soft stem ആണ് herbsന്. So tender stem herbsനാണ് ഉള്ളത്. Roots remain under the ground. Roots ആണ് എപ്പോഴും ഗ്രൗണ്ടിൽ ഉണ്ടാവുക. താഴെ ഗ്രൗണ്ടിൻ്റെ താഴെ എപ്പോഴും റൂട്ട്സ് ആണ് ഉണ്ടാവുക. മണ്ണിനടിയിൽ റൂട്ട്സ് ആണ് ഉണ്ടാവുക. Then parts of the plants. You are studied in the parts of plants. Which are they? Leaves, root, stem, branches, flowers, fruit, seed, etc. So you studied well, and what is the duty of these plants, parts of the plants? Leaves food for us. Then food for the plants. Leaves. Then root remain under the soil and absorb the water from the soil. Then flowers further into fruits and seeds. Flowers ആണ് ഫ്രൂട്ട്സും സീഡ്സും ആയിട്ട് മാറാറ്. ലീവ്സിൽ ഫുഡ് പ്രിപ്പയർ ചെയ്യും, റൂട്ട് അബ്സോർബ് ചെയ്യും വാട്ടേഴ്സ്. ഓക്കെ.